Welcome to the Joyful Movement series powered by C60 Purple Power, where we're combining the ancient art of Qigong and movement to activate joyful living. In today's practice, we will experience a full body, mind, and spirit stress reduction practice. Be sure to hit the like button, turn your subscription on, and stay up to date at shopc60.com. Opening up to the left, we'll begin with weight shifting to the front leg, closing the qua on the front leg, and beginning to rotate through the pelvis, opening up the hip joint. Spine is neutral, and weight shifts between both legs. For the next movement, hands are going to rise up, twisting the spine and shifting to the opposite side. Inhaling, twisting, exhaling, palm faces the back of the hips, and beginning to open up the spine, looking all the way over the opposite shoulder. This warm-up sequence allows us to open up the major areas where we hold stress and tension in the body. For our next movement, we'll roll the shoulders back, lifting to the ears, drawing shoulder blades back, rising and sinking, releasing any stress or burdens, switching directions, rolling the shoulders forward, rotating the neck, being careful not to compress the vertebrae. And stretching in a side bended position for 3 breaths. And shifting to the opposite side for 3 breaths. Fingers interlace, hands press on the back of the head, stretching the occiput, coming into flexion for 3 breaths. And go ahead and bounce out, shake out this opening stress and tension, relieving set to prepare us for our Qigong practice. Weight shifts to the right and shifts back to the left. Inhaling, washing the spirit, exhaling, sinking and pressing energy back into the earth. Inhaling, washing over the face and through the spirit, clearing and releasing stress and tension. Weight is fully on the back leg, shifts to the neutral, middle, and back to the opposite side. For the next movement, hands rise up. Energy pauses between the shoulder blades, pressing out through the hands. Inhaling, rising up. Exhaling over the crown. Inhale, rising up, pausing, exhale, pressing the energy out from the shoulder blades through the hands. Inhaling, rising up, breath reaches the crown. Exhaling, pressing down front of the spine all the way back into the earth. Inhaling new chi, exhaling old chi. Inhaling new energy, packing in that new energy and releasing old chi out of the body. For the next movement, weight shifts to the right, opening it into a bow stance. Weight is forward, hands come towards the pelvis, inhaling, drawing energy back up the back of the spine. Exhaling, down the front of the spine, weight shifts forward. Rotate and circulating, balance of yang and yin. Weight shifts back. Inhaling up the yang, exhaling down the yin, rotating microcosmic orbit. We're working to smooth out the nervous system, the active and passive responses of the body. Shifts to the opposite side, opening up into a bow stance. Weight is forward, hands come in front of the pelvis, inhaling, drawing the weight back, up the back of the spine, exhaling down the front of the spine. Inhaling up the yang, or active, exhaling, sinking forward down the yin. working to smooth out and harmonize yin and yang. Active and passive. Rotating microcosmic orbit. Coming back in to a neutral stance and beginning to tap over the gut brain and lower dantian region, settling and stabilizing survival, foundational energies, rotating and massaging that energy in one direction to smooth out lower energy center, tapping over the heart brain or middle dantian, allowing energy to awaken and settle. And massaging and settling energy at middle dantian region. Tapping over the mind brain or the upper dantian, activating and supporting higher energy center to orient 3 energy centers together, and holding the base of the skull and rubbing and energizing the mind. Shaking out any excess stress, allowing the release through the body. The muscles hang and shake, and letting go of any old stress. We'll close our practice. This practice is appropriate for any time you need to relieve a little bit of extra stress. Thank you for tuning in to the Joyful Movement series powered by C60 Purple Power. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and stay up to date on all the newest releases at shopc60.com.